Welcome to this ground floor vacation condo unit in Wailea. This stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo is perfectly situated to offer the ultimate island lifestyle. Step inside and you'll find an open concept living space, perfect for relaxation or entertaining. The modern kitchen features premium appliances, ample counter space, and a breakfast bar, making it ideal for family gatherings. With 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 well-appointed bathrooms, Condo is perfect for families, offering plenty room for everyone to unwind after a long day of adventure. Even better, this property is one of the lowest price entry-level units in Wailea that allows short-term vacation rental. Well, there is a debate in conversion of short-term to long-term rental, but that's for another video. Right now, this unit has a solid vacation rental history. It's an incredible opportunity to own a piece of paradise at unbelievable value. Nestled along the fairways of Wailea's premium golf course, this unit offers picturesque setting. Whether you're looking for a vacation home, an investment property, or your permanent slice of paradise, this condo unit offers it all. Come experience the magic of Wailea. Your dream Maui lifestyle awaits.